Hi, my Huckleberry neighbors. Elizabeth Dangler here with another episode of the Huckleberry Home. And I'm so excited to share with you this recipe for cranberry orange relish. It was a tradition in my family growing up. Every Thanksgiving, my dad absolutely had to have his cranberry orange relish. So I'm very excited to share this family tradition with you all today. So we've got 3/4 cup of granulated sugar in our small saucepan here. What we're doing is making a simple syrup. We have 3/4 cup of orange juice. I don't use the one with the pulp in it, so no extra pulp. So we're making a simple syrup with the orange juice and the sugar. Now, if you don't have orange juice, you can absolutely make just your basic simple syrup with water and sugar. It's a 1-to-1, so 3/4 cup water, 3/4 cup sugar. But the orange juice just really enhances the flavor of your cranberry orange relish, so that's why I go with the orange juice. So while this is coming to a light boil, we're going to go ahead and get the food processor out and get to work on the cranberry and the oranges. Okay, we have our food processor set up with our shred blade up top. I also have the grind and chop blade already sitting in here. And you'll see why in just a second. So we're going to set this one up with the shred blade, and we are going to fumble getting, there we go, a little bit. Got it! Okay, so we're going to be setting the whole orange in here, but of course this orange doesn't fit, so we're going to have to slice it in half. Okay, it's going to get a little bit noisy in here. Here we go. Didn't quite grab all of it, but it grabbed most of it. So we're going to just take out kind of the leftover orange rind that it didn't take. We're going to take out the shred blade and set it aside. Now we're going to add our cranberries. So I'm going to hook this back on. Checking my orange juice here, and it looks really good. Everything, that looks just super yummy. I'm just gonna set that aside so that can cool, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna throw that in there too, because why not? Adds a little bit more flavor. Okay, so we have our 2 bags of fresh cranberries in our food processor, and you can choose how small or how fine that you want your cranberries, or if you want something a little bit more substantial. It's entirely up to you. I do mine the size of pickle relish. So we're going to chop and pulse. Oh y'all, this looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to take my scraper here. We're just going to knock down the sides. Now, depending on your cranberries aren't, the organic ones that I use are not very juicy. They're pretty dry, as a matter of fact. So that's why the orange juice really helps out in this piece. Okay, we have our glass bowl. And this is just about a medium-sized one. And I've already taken the blade out, so we're just gonna scrape all this yummy cranberry orange goodness out of our food processor container here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is a little bit of what I wanted to share with you, and I had that orange peel that didn't quite get ground. And over here we have our beautiful ground cranberries and our entire orange, and you can see the beautiful orange flecks and the different layers of color in this beautiful Thanksgiving side dish. So we're just going to let everything hang out for just a little bit, and then we're going to make the magic happen. Our simple syrup has cooled off, so we're going to go ahead and add this to our cranberry and oranges here. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, and it looks so pretty. Okay, get all that yummy goodness scraped out of your little saucepan. And we're just gonna fold in. Now this is gonna hang out in your refrigerator, and all these tastes are just gonna like meld together and just be fantastic. So you can make this, like I said, 2 days in advance. Definitely the night before is just good enough. And super wonderful and beautiful to have with all of those yummy sides for your Thanksgiving feast. So we've got all of that nicely incorporated. We're gonna put a lid on this and pop it right into the fridge. Guys, I'm super excited to share with you the finished product. So this we have taken in this beautiful glass bowl. You're definitely gonna wanna use a bowl that's gonna highlight how fantastically colorful, look at that, oh, this cranberry orange relish is. So we did a little garnish with our rosemary, and we did some of the thinly sliced oranges here, and we just threw in a couple of fun little whole cranberries just to top it all off. So I'm just beside myself excited that I got to share this wonderful Thanksgiving side dish that is such a tradition in my family. Let me know how it turns out. So you can click the link below and be taken right to the recipe at the Huckleberry Press. And just happy Thanksgiving. And thank you for spending this time with me. Have a blessed Thanksgiving.